brakes on would help. Okay, let's step that over to one side. Got two 17s on the back of that. That is no bueno. They don't go much worse than that. There we go. Happy days. It's a 32. Go. And that's it. Bearing off. There we go. Try not to force it. You don't usually have to. There we go. And now we get our new nut on there. $266 Newton meters. Whew. That's tight. It's amazing, once you torque it down it gets much tighter. Takes any slop out of the bearing. So that's quite an important one to tighten down properly, I would say. That's made a big difference. It feels really good. Sounds great. So these are 55 Newton meters, these bolts here. go. Let's torque it properly. Let's not rely on the power tools. Let's rely on engineering principles. There we go. Happy days. Now, slip that brake pad back into there. Slip that brake pad back into there. There we go, that's in. Now we'll just get these bolts here started. There should be a clip for that. It's obviously missing. There should be a little clip here that it like slides into. We don't have that. Same with these two little slide pin bolts. 30 Newton meters this is. There we go with that one. Very good. $95 Newton meters, those. 95. Well, that is how you place the rear wheel bearing on an Alfa Romeo Mito. The rear wheel bearing, should I say. Very easy. I think you just need a 32, a 13 and a 17 mil and a 12 mil for those little bolts that hold on the disc, and you're away. It's quite simple actually. Pretty easy to DIY. It does make a big difference to get that wheel torqued down properly. Oh, look at the rubbish in there. That is looking grim, isn't it? No wonder why that one there failed. Like most things here, just killed by corrosion. Probably just got in past this back seal over time. The front looked dry as a bone. It's a shame. In any case, it's fixed now.